Happy Saturday, guys. Good morning. Yan. 7 in the morning. Hi, my love. Hola. How's Zoe? Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, happy Saturday. Yan. Mag-breakfast kami ng aking asawa. Are you ready, my love? So he's ready and let's go, guys. So guys, nandito na tayo sa bahay. Wait lang. Kaya po naka-earphone. So kagaling lang namin mag-breakfast ni my love. So pupunta ako sa store. Oh my God. Kada labas mo talaga dito, guys. So, bumula ako ng Sam's cleaning stuff. So, like these Clorox wipes. Ayan. Tapos ito, Febreze Air Sanitizer. Kasi dito sa Amerika, guys, yung bahay kasi dito is closed. Yung kulong. So, kung meron ka niluluto or you smoke inside or everything. So, talagang, ano siya dito? Talagang maamoy mo yung aso ko maingay. Zoe, calm down! Pinakain ko na yan, pero ayaw kumain. Wait, i-off muna natin. Yan, nakain siya. Tapos ito, bumili ako ng bathroom disinfect cleaner. Tapos bumili rin ako nitong ano. Maganda siya, guys. Plug-in lang. Ayan. Lemon. Tapos ito, Tangerine Clean Natural Face Cleaner. So, this is my first time. Ayan siya. So, ito yung first time ko na, first time ko siya na itatry. So, let's see. Ano ito dito? Mabango siya, guys. Ayan, face. Invest liquid, liquid face. Ayan. So, kasi ngayon, day off ko. Pero, I'm going to wedding later. So, busy pa rin. So, ito, guys. Fantastic. Ayan. So, later, hopefully, after this vlog, masagot natin yung mga comment nyo, questions about the CNA. Kasi, I think marami akong tanong doon na hindi ko siya nasasagot. So, hopefully, later, ayan si Zoe, guys. Zoe, calm down! So, hopefully, I'll get ma-answer ko yung question nyo sa about CNA, kung paano ba kumuha ng CNA dito, gaano katagal, paano mag-apply. So, right now, my license is expired. Parang, maybe 50% gusto ko siyang i-renew. But, yung 50% gusto ko na siyang mag-continuous ng ibang course. Like, Zoe, calm down! Oh my God, guys. Habang nagsasalita kayo isa dito. So, gusto ko... Zoe, you have to calm down, baby girl. Oh my God. What happened? Oh my God. Parang hindi ka pinakain ng 10 taon. So, yeah. If you're doing like... Mas maganda talaga, guys, if you're starting like a nursing course. Sa Amerika, mag-CNA ka muna. Yun talaga yung pinaka-the best advice. Pwede ka naman mag-direct ng RN, but to become a CNA, Certified Nursing Assistant, yun talaga yung pinaka-best start if you want to start the medical, or like health, or like medical field or health, or something health career this sa USA, or like dental assistant or medical assistant. You're gonna start in assistant. So, doon mo malalaman kung ano yung gusto mong pasukin. Like, gusto mo ba maging mag-ano sa dentist? Yun, maganda rin yung guys, maganda rin yung benefits doon, maganda rin yung hours kasi their work only like Monday to Friday, plus their like office hours, they work like 8 to 5 or 8 to 6. That's also good. Or medical assistant, diyan ka lang sa may opisina sa clinic, answering calls, or, you know, or get the vitals. Meron bang tinatawag na patient care technician sa hospital din, para din siyang nursing assistant. So, marami siyang, ano guys, binigay. So, mamaya ako nasabihin nyo, and see you later, my love. So, you go upstairs, my love. Okay. So, yan, mag-start kami mag-cleaning ng bahay before we go to the wedding. And I'll see you later, guys. Eh, maingay yung aso ko. So, may TV pa. Oh my God, guys. So, hopefully, ma-explain ko siya mais later and I'll see you back. Hi, baby girl. Grandma. I like it. It's thicker. Viscosity is better for tips, if you ask me. A little bit of hot sauce. Gonna add in a clove of garlic. Just kind of mash it like that. So, katatapos ko lang maglinis ng bahay. So, hindi ko pa siya tapos, but at least, so we're going to a wedding. So, hindi na ako nakapag-ayos. So, bali, yan, nagdala na lang ako dito ng, ayan, medyo blurred yung camera natin, yan. So, yan, nagdala na lang ako dito ng mga makeup, yan. Ito, Chanel foundation natin. Si Kylie. Yeah, Kylie. Ganda dito, Kylie. Yan, Chanel again. Ayan. Chanel. God, masyadong ano yung camera ko. So, I'm getting ready. So, wedding. So, isang what's good? Myanmar wedding. So, I'll see you later, guys.